Hello again. Let us continue our work. Now, I already traced the left front, the right front, and the left front, but then I traced one to save before. As I told you previously, this one is called 2 inch, total 2 inch, and the finish is 1 inch. This is the right placket. So if you pull this, it becomes 1 inch. And this is your center. Your top stitch should be 1 inch. Then cut this one. This one is the right placket with 1 inch finish. Okay, this is the button. This is the right. This is the center front. Overlap. This is the overlap, center front. Fold. Now, as I told you, I did not cut full left front. I just cut this one. Anyway, you should imagine this the same. I just want to save the part. So this is your overlap. Hold it here like this one. Then another one. This one is 1 in 1 part. It should total 1 in 1 part. Okay. And this one is 1 inch. Finish. After folding the double folding, then you cut it. Yeah. So this is now your center. Hold. Button placement. Okay. So when you pull this, you will have 1 inch top stitch here. 1 in 1 part. Sorry. Should be 1 in 1 part, and here is 1 inch. Why it's not the same? if you think it should be the same, no, because there's a reason why it should not be the same. The purpose is why this one is smaller than this one. The purpose is to, when they are become overlapped, sewing here will not show out. It will be covered by by the overlap. Now, if you make it the same, then your stitch is going here, so your stitches will show up. So it's not good. So that's why we make this one smaller and this one is bigger by 1/4. Okay, so we make this one. Now your top stitch is covered by this one. See, the top stitch here, your pin is here. So this one top stitch is covered by this one. Now we will now going to check the accuracy of the pattern. Here is the yoke. As previously we already checked this one, so to save time I think we already know what I did previously. And this one is joint here, here, front, joining here, and this one. Make sure this one is the same as the armhole sleeve. Now on the side seam, make sure this one is the same. After you finish this one, then if you want like this hemming, you have to cut the hair Now if you want straight, you pull this down and make a 1 inch in top stitch here. For the collar, make sure this one is smaller than here by 1/4 total circumference of it. This one should be bigger than 1/4. This one is smaller by 1/4 circumference. Because when you sew, it will stretch. So if you make this bigger, there will have a packery in your neck circumference. That's why it should be standard is 1/4 bigger circumference, 1/4 1/8. Now after you check this one, now make sure this one match here. This is the overlap. Our overlap is 5/8 here, and your button here. Make sure this is exactly same here. When you connect this one, should be same as this one here. Sure pattern should be here. Stop 6 here. But first you are going to make this one double first. There with fusible. After this one is already finished, you can attach this one, the top sleeve, the top collar band. And next is the other collar. So this one will be become like this. But here you should leave this open, but here already finished sewing. Leave this open because you are going to attach this here. Then this one is here, but this one will already pulled. Should be pulled here, like this one, and it should finish like here. This one finish like this one. Same. After you finish sewing here, you can attach now the pattern, the pocket. So where's your pocket? This is your pocket. Suppose this is your, you have to make a top stitch here, no? So you make top stitch here first, hold it here, same here, top stitch here first, top stitch, then reverse. So this one will become like this one. Top stitch here, press first. You have to press the iron, steam or whatever. Then after you mark it one, you can attach this pocket here. So this one is clean. Over here is clean. And like if you are going to make it shortcut, you slit this first, like this one. Then if you slit first here, this one will look as a raw edge cell. And the solution here is to fold like this one. Fold. Then top snips here. Okay.